What's up, YouTube? Before we get into today's video, are you struggling to grow your brand on social media? Are you consistently posting content without seeing any sales or results? Then you need to grab a free, yes, free copy of my social media growth ebook, The 5 Keys That Took My Brand Sales Lifestyle from 0 to 500,000 followers in less than 1 year. Grab a copy of that ebook. It'll change your life, change your game for social media. Click that first link in the description to join my SMS list, and then you will receive a link to that free ebook. Plus, if you're looking for a one-on-one mentorship with me to take your brand to the next level, there will also be a link for you to take a survey to see if you qualify for my mentorship program. Now, let's get into the video. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Eddie Scott coming to y'all again, as y'all see in the title of the video. 4 morning routines. 2, I'm gonna figure out what to title this video later, but basically to start off your morning right, to grow your business, more importantly to grow your life. Become a better human being. Become the best version of yourself. You cannot leave a great impact on this world until you first leave a great impact on yourself. Self-care is key. So, with that being said, let's get into these 4 morning routines. I'm out here in the morning for y'all recording this video, practicing what I preach. I can't tell y'all something if I've never did it before, and if it doesn't work for me. Speaking from personal experience, and everybody's personal experience is different. So feel free to let me know your opinions in the comments below. But number 1, morning routine that you need to adopt, or that you should adopt. You don't need to do anything, but I recommend that you would adopt to start off your morning correctly. What I'm doing right now: get outside, get some fresh air, specifically get in the sun, right? Connect with nature. And this isn't on some sun gazing type, none of that, but you got to connect with nature. There's something about being outside that just raises your vibration, that just opens up your mind, just helps you to think clearly. I even know it's for myself. Like, it's low-key, like, impossible for me to have a bad attitude or a bad demeanor, or like be mad about anything when I'm outside. If I'm inside, it's easy to get distracted. It's easy to, let the cares of life get me down. When I'm outside in that sun, it's really not gonna get me down. So yeah, number 1 routine: get outside, get some fresh air, breathe. Most of us aren't properly breathing, and so we're never fully opening up our minds, opening up our bodies to the full capacity that we can operate at in order to build our business, in order to build our life, in order to be the best versions of ourselves, because we're so closed in. So get outside, get some fresh air, get some sun. Sun has vitamin D, I believe. I'm sure a whole bunch of other great benefits from being in the sun. Even if you're in an area that doesn't have that much sunlight, I would still say just get outside. Like I said, be with nature. Listen to the birds chirping. Like, you're gonna start off your morning amazing. And that's just building momentum for you to dominate your day. And that's really what this list is all about, right? A lot of y'all are looking for a magic pill. A lot of us are looking for like one thing that's going to change our life. Like, oh, if I do this special billionaire routine, then I'm gonna make a bunch of money. Like, that's not how life works. Life is about taking a bunch of small actions consistently, day in, day out, and building momentum. So all these things I'm talking about on this list are not like super deep rocket science or anything like that. It's just building momentum for you to start your day correctly. So in saying that, step number 1, get outside. Step number 2, when you're outside, or you can do this forever, but I like to do when I'm outside, just give thanks. Be thankful. Be thankful. The Bible says in everything give thanks, for this is the will of God for you. You are not supposed to be living life You are not supposed to be living life with a negative mindset. You are not supposed to be living life from a place of fear, worry, doubt, sadness. That's where the enemy wants you to be. Because when you're in those states where you're ungrateful, when you're in that mental state where all you can do is focus on your problems, then you can never focus on what God has for you. When you're in NMA, you have a negative mental attitude, you can never, like I said, it's all about opening up your mind and opening up your body to be at its fullest capacity, its highest capacity, to fulfill your purpose, to do the work that you need to do to be successful. So you have a negative mental attitude, when you're ungrateful, you don't give thanks, it keeps you in this limited state and you're never able to grow. You can't get the next blessing until you're grateful for the last one. You can't get the next blessing until you give thanks for the last one. So make it a practice every morning. Just get up and be thankful. Just be thankful. Whether you're praying, just say, God, I thank you. Sometimes when I'm praying, I'll spend let's just say 10 minutes I'm praying. I don't ever ask for anything. Not saying you shouldn't ask for anything. You should ask God for things. But I'll just be out here just like, God, I thank you. God, I love you. God, I thank you for how you helped me to grow my mind. God, I'm thankful for the people you place in my life. Just give thanks. Whether you got a list of things, you just say it out loud. I'm thankful for my car. I'm thankful for my house. I'm thankful for my family. Even though I want to be a millionaire, I'm thankful that for the money I have in my bank account right now. You can't get the next blessing until you're grateful, thankful for the last one. So, step number 2, just be thankful. Be thankful. And as you can see with the theme of this list, like I said, it's not one magic pill that's going to change your life, but consistent actions. And with these morning routines, it's all about putting yourself in that PMA state. PMA is positive mental attitude. Success Through a Positive Mental Attitude by Napoleon Hill is a book I recommend y'all read. But as we know, just being positive is not going to make you successful. But it is the prerequisite for being successful. Just like hard work doesn't guarantee success, but it's a prerequisite for success, it's the same thing with having a positive mental attitude. Just being positive and happy is not going to make you successful, but you can't be successful without having a positive mental attitude. So these morning routines are helping you build that PMA early in the morning to carry it throughout the rest of your day, to dominate your day. So step number 1, get out in the sun. Step number 2, give thanks, be thankful. Step number 3, read. Your brain, studies show that your brain is most receptive to new knowledge in the morning. Your brain is most receptive to new knowledge in the morning. So that's why school starts at 7:20. That's why school starts at 8 a.m., 9 a.m. Because you get the most information in the morning. So dedicate some time in the morning to reading, right? And I talk a lot about general knowledge and specialized knowledge. So read general knowledge, things like the Bible, books like Think and Grow Rich, like personal development that's going to grow your mindset regardless of your career path, what you want to do. Use that morning time to really build your mindset, grow your mind. And then in addition to general knowledge, you have specialized knowledge. So if you are a business owner, if you are an entrepreneur, read books on money, read books on growing your business, right? So maybe dedicate 10 minutes to general knowledge reading, 10 minutes to specialized knowledge reading. And like I keep saying, it's all about consistency, right? It's not like you gotta read for an hour every single day to make it. Like, just do what works for you. It's better to read 10 minutes a day every day it's better to read for 10 minutes a day every single day for 10 days. That's 100 minutes. That's an hour and 30 minutes. Than to read I'm sorry, all these cars keep passing. But it's more effective to read for 10 minutes a day every single day for 10 days straight. That's an hour, 30 minutes. Than to read for 1 hour in one day and never do it again. So be consistent. Consistency is a key to success. Last key I got for y'all, number 4, morning routine. Start from morning right to dominate your day in business, in life. Eat right. Eating right is so key, and it's one of the biggest struggles, especially as Americans, that we have, is eating incorrectly. We have a tendency to put anything in our bodies. Just because it's edible doesn't mean that it's healthy. Just because you can eat it doesn't mean that you should. Right? I know a lot of people start off their morning eating breakfast, eating pastries and Pop-Tarts and sugar. There are certain foods that if you put in your body, especially in the morning, right, they're just gonna decrease your energy. You need energy to be successful. If you're building a business, you need the proper amount of energy to fuel your mind, fuel your body. If you're going throughout your day because you ate a bad breakfast, you ate a bunch of sugar and unnecessary carbs and fats, then that's going to sit with you the rest of the day, and that's going to limit you. So in the morning, even, I'm not gonna say more importantly, but even considering the night before, what did you eat the night before? Sometimes you could eat something that's going to sit with you for a while your body's digesting it. You wake up in the morning and you still feeling sluggish from what you ate the night before. So our diets are so key, and a lot of entrepreneurs kind of neglect the importance of physical activity, of taking care of your bodies. We live this life through our bodies. Yes, we need our minds to be on point, but you need strong body, strong mind to have a strong business, to be successful. So make sure that you're starting your mornings off correctly with the food that you put in your body. Things like fruit, things like eggs, right? Like get some good protein in your body, whatever your choice of protein is. Things like oatmeal. I'm just thinking of things I like to eat that can help me get started. Drinking lots of water, even certain juices like orange juice. You know, I don't really drink juice because juice to me is like inhaling sugar. You know, a lot of juices just got like just loads of sugar in them. And so I just like to keep things real natural, you know, especially in the morning, because your morning's gonna set the tone for the rest of your day. So in saying that, I'm about to get my day started. I hope you have a great rest of your day. If this video provided value to you in some way, be sure to leave a like for YouTube algorithm, subscribe, comment, all that good YouTube stuff. Hey, click that first link in the description, get a copy of my ebook, grow your brand on social media. We out here, we turning up, let's be great. I'm trying to think if I got anything else to say to y'all. Some quick words of wisdom, a quick word of wisdom for this morning to get your day started off right. Like I've been saying, consistency is the key to success. So get 1% better every single day until you are 100% better than you were before. Let's be great. Let's go.